morning, everyone. How are you? Fine? Okay, very good. Today, as usual, we go ahead with Global English 4 and we still on Unit 8. Okay? Today, I want you to open the Learner's Book, pages 114, and then we will go to 115. Okay. Today, we will talk about quantitative pronouns. Quantitative pronouns. Okay. First of all, what's the meaning of pronouns? Pronoun is a word that refers to a noun. Like what? Like when I say he, instead of saying Hashim is good, he studies hard. I say he, not Hashim again and again and again. So he is the word that refers to the noun Hashim, okay? Or when I say they are good students, they, instead of saying Anas and Yasir every time. So I use a word that refers to the noun, okay? Type. Teacher, you mean that quantitative pronouns like he and she? Yeah, but they are different kind of pronouns. Okay. What do they show? They show the number or quantity of a place or a person. Person means someone, humans, people, or objects, things, okay? So the quantitative pronouns refer to one of three things: place, or person, people, or objects, things type. Okay. Teacher, we see a lot of words. They are the same. It's very easy. Just pay attention. You will find it very easy. Like when we talk about place, we use one of four quantitative pronouns: somewhere, nowhere, anywhere, and everywhere. So the four of them are quantitative pronouns about the place, right? Okay. Somewhere and everywhere, they mean they are used in the positive, in the affirmative sentence, okay? What the meaning of affirmative? Not question, and you can't find the word not. Affirmative, like I looked for the book somewhere, in some places. Somewhere means in some places. Or when I say I looked for my pen everywhere. Everywhere means in all the places. So there is a difference in the meaning. The grammar, they are used in the affirmative sentence. Affirmative sentence. Not without the negative, not without the negative, and not with the questions, okay? So we use again somewhere and everywhere in the affirmative sentence. Nowhere and anywhere, they mean negative. They mean negative meaning. What's the difference between nowhere and anywhere? Okay, nowhere, it's negative in itself. Like when I say I looked nowhere. I didn't say not here. Why? Because nowhere is negative without saying not. Top. What's the difference between nowhere and anywhere? Anywhere, we use it in the negative after not. After not. How? When I say I didn't look anywhere. This is the difference. So we use nowhere to give the meaning of negative without saying not. Okay? We use anywhere to give the meaning of negative, but after not. After not. Okay? So again, teacher, what we said about the quantitative pronouns of place. We said we have four quantitative pronouns of place. They are somewhere, everywhere, nowhere, and anywhere. And we said that somewhere and everywhere to give affirmative meaning. Affirmative meaning. Not question and not negative. Okay? And the difference in the meaning. Somewhere means in some places, not all the places. But everywhere means in all the places. Okay? Nowhere and anywhere have the same meaning. Sometimes they give me the meaning, the negative meaning. But nowhere means negative in itself without mentioning the word not or the suffix not, okay? But anywhere is used in the negative case after not, and sometimes in the question. In the question, like when I say, have you looked for the pen anywhere? This is a question, so I use any, okay? Teacher, we said that we have quantitative pronouns of place. We know them now. Somewhere, everywhere, nowhere, anywhere. And we said we have quantitative pronouns of humans or people. Like what? They are the same, but instead of saying where, we say body or one. Body or one. So we say anybody or anyone, and nobody or no one, and everybody or everyone, and somebody or someone. So they are four, the same, but they refer to people. Somebody, everybody, nobody, and anybody. So now Anas, can you tell me what's the difference? Anas will tell me, teacher, you didn't say the difference. No, Anas, I said the difference. I said the difference between somewhere, nowhere, everywhere, and anywhere. The same thing goes for this. Somebody, everybody, anybody, and nobody. Teacher, you mean that somebody or someone and everybody or everyone, the two pronouns come in the affirmative case? Yes, in the affirmative case. Affirmative means not question and not negative. But the difference in the meaning, when I say I saw somebody, but not everyone, or I saw everybody, it means I saw all of them, okay? Nobody and anybody, what's the difference? Teacher, we know that nobody and anybody, the two of them give negative meaning, but nobody, it means negative in itself. Like when I say, I saw nobody, I didn't say the word or the suffix not, but it's still negative on its own, okay? On its own, it's negative. What about anybody? It gives it the negative meaning, but after you say the suffix not. Like what? Like I didn't meet anybody, did not. And then we say anybody. And the same thing, I said anywhere can be used in the negative after not, or in the question, the same thing for anybody can be used in the negative after not, or in the question. Excellent, yes. So teacher, until now we mentioned two kinds of quantitative pronouns of place and quantitative pronouns of persons or people. And the last part, the quantitative pronouns of objects or things. So it's clear now, teacher, we can say it everything, something, nothing, and anything. Like somewhere, everywhere, nowhere, anywhere. Teacher, we know the meaning. You don't have to say the meaning, the difference of them, between them. Everything and something. The two of them refer to the affirmative meaning. Everything and something. Everything and something refer to the affirmative meaning. And we know affirmative, khalas, we know it. Affirmative means not negative, no, not, and not question. Okay? Like I saw something or I saw everything. Okay? Nothing and anything. What's the difference? The difference between nothing and anything. Okay. Teacher, we know nothing and anything give negative meaning. But nothing is negative on its own without not. Like when I say I did nothing. I did nothing without not. It's negative. But I say I didn't do anything. So after not, we use any. Teacher, it's clear, but we need to answer questions to make sure it's easy for us. Let's answer some questions or see examples first. I can find it somewhere. in the affirmative sentence. There is no not and there is no question mark. Affirmative. Or it's everywhere. The same thing. Affirmative. No not and no question mark. So somewhere, everywhere, or somebody, everybody, or something. Everything you are used in the affirmative case. It is nowhere. It is nowhere. Okay. It means negative meaning. But we didn't say not because nowhere is negative on its own. Number 4, it isn't anywhere. It isn't anywhere. As you see, anywhere gives a negative meaning, but after not, okay? And we said, don't forget, anywhere, anybody, anything can come in the question, okay? Let's see these 4 examples for the pronouns of peoples, okay? The quantitative pronouns of people. I saw somebody, it's affirmative. I saw everybody, affirmative too. I saw nobody, this is negative. Teacher, how negative? We said that nobody or nowhere or nothing negative without saying not. Number 8, I didn't see anybody, as you see here, any and not to refer to the negative meaning. Now it's time to guess the answers for these questions. These questions, before you listen, before you think, they are about the story of the golden falcon that was stolen. You have to think now. Think which pronoun is going to be used in the spaces. The golden falcon has been stolen by, think, by somebody, maybe by someone, maybe also. Number 2, police teams are looking. Think of a pronoun. Looking what? Yeah, looking everywhere. Looking in all places. So everywhere. Okay. 3, so far, space has been found. So far, nothing has been found. Excellent. Teacher, can I say anything? No. We say anything after the word not or any question. There is no not here, and this is not a question. Number 4, space has reported seeing the thief. Yes, someone or somebody, I think that's right. Someone has reported seeing the thief. 5, the guards heard. Space, strange. Heard something strange. Excellent. Something strange. Number 6, an eyewitness saw space running out of the building. So what running out of the building? Someone, maybe, somebody, maybe. Top teacher, let's listen to this track to fill in the spaces and make sure our answers are right or wrong. So let's listen, please. Okay. Yes. Get ready.
Act 44. Good evening. As you all know by now, the Golden Falcon has been stolen by someone. Police teams are looking everywhere in the museum for fingerprints and other evidence which will help them find the thief, but so far nothing has been found. Nobody has reported seeing the thief enter the building, but the guards did hear something strange around 8 o'clock, so they did a security check but didn't find anything. We also have an eyewitness who saw somebody running out of the building, and that is all the information we have for now.
Okay, so most of our answers were excellent. The Golden Falcon has been stolen by somebody. Police teams are looking everywhere. So far, nothing has been found. Number 4, somebody has reported seeing the thief. The guards heard something strange. And number 6, an eyewitness saw somebody running out of the building. Teacher, we need a question, like the questions that come in the test. Okay, these questions are the questions that you may see in the test. Okay, let's read the question and think about the answer. Number 1, I saw I saw space inside. He was running. So I'm talking about somebody. Yes, excellent. Okay. Number 2, Hashim looked space, but he didn't find his pen. Hashim looked everywhere, or nobody, or anything. Think with me. Yes, Hashim looked everywhere. Excellent. Yes, okay. Number 3, Yasser didn't play. Didn't. And take care. We have not. Yasser didn't play somewhere, or nobody, or anywhere. Teacher, not. So we use any. So it's anywhere. Easy. Okay. Number 4, Uwais read space about the crime. Uwais read what? Somebody or something or anything. Teacher, we can't say anything. This is wrong because it's not a question and there is no not. Okay. Uwais read something or somebody. Of course, you can't read somebody. So Uwais read something. Excellent. Okay. So today's lesson is ended now. Go back to the website, answer the questions in the worksheet. If you have anything, come back to me. Goodbye.